Good afternoon. My name is Abigail Carpenter, and I'm the managing editor at Aqua. We're pleased to welcome you to our webinar today, Rule the Pool with Filter Cartridge Replacement Tips for Your Business, sponsored by Pentair Pool, an industry leader in innovative, energy-efficient pool solutions that enable people to safely and sustainably enjoy water. Today's webinar is focused on an essential tool for pool maintenance, cartridges. With the recent integration of the Pleco brand, Pentair Pool offers the latest technology and innovation in pool filtration, including a cartridge that uses triple action technology for ultimate dirt capture, and expert advice on how you can leverage this technology to gain efficiencies in the backyard and give your customers peace of mind. Before I hand it over to the Pentair Pool team, please let me introduce today's speakers. Christina Swanson is a strategic marketing manager for Pentair Pool, who has been an integral part of the Pleco integration. Christina is a highly experienced marketing manager with prior manufacturing industry experience across a number of well-known consumer brands. And Scott Gleason, the national sales manager for Pleco. Scott has decades of experience in the pool industry and brings a wealth of experience and knowledge of pool and spa filtration products. I'll hand it over now to Christina and Scott, who will share some filtration tips and tricks to help you maximize efficiencies and delight your customers.
Thank you, Abigail, and thank you to everybody who's here with us today. We are excited. We know when you and your team are showing up to perform a maintenance call or a routine service appointment for any type of pool out there, there are so many tasks that you are working on to complete with one goal in mind: keeping your customer delighted and leaving them with a clean and swimmable pool. Here on the screen you can see is just the beginning of a list of things that you and your team may be tackling when they show up in the backyard. And this does not even scratch the surface of a repair or a replacement call. Today, we are excited to share with you a few ways that Pleco and Pentair Pool can help reduce your work associated with specifically number 10, filter cleanings. And that will be done through Pleco's innovative replacement cartridges that include our proven triple action technology. And I'm going to hand it over to Scott to dive into what those technologies are.
All right. Well, thank you, Christina. Yes, let's dive into those technologies. Every piece of our cartridges have been designed and innovated to support you and your team in the backyard. Starting with the media Pleco uses, it is a point bonded filter fabric, which is made up of finer fibers when compared to competition that are bonded together in a uniform and specific pattern with the purpose to deliver cartridge stability and greater dirt capturing. And then to complement that media, Pleco's cartridges include a free flow core design where we utilize square openings versus circular ones so that we have created maximum space for water to move through more of the fabric and reduce operating pressures on the pool pad system. These two technologies alone allow you and your team to delight your customers with crystal clear water and extended run cycles between cartridge cleanings, all while getting you back time in your day to reach more customers and to solve more complex pool problems. So, speaking of time, right? Something we all wish we had more of, and trying to find ways for you to optimize your weekly pool service routes with the ultimate goal of growing your bottom line. Pool cleanings are the ticket to keeping your customers delighted and coming back for all their pool needs. However, we understand that they can be time intensive, especially when it comes to having to open up the system for cartridge cleanings. Pleco has a solution for you to help you out there. And that solution, there we go, is PurePleat. PurePleat is specifically offered in our Ultra line of cartridges. Those Ultra cartridges come with a proprietary pleating technology that holds the pleat folds in place without the use of traditional external bands. Not only does this add stability to the backside inside of the cartridge, making it easier to rinse away debris and particulate that is collected within the pleats, but it also helps reduce pleat bunching up on themselves, something you may have possibly seen with other competitive cartridges. Ultra allows you to utilize as much square footage of the filter media for as long as possible as the cartridge ages. A big benefit in the backyard. So with that, we want to ask a trivia question here. And you see it popped up on the screen. The first person that posts the correct answer into your questions view on your screen will be the winner of a 500 product giveaway. And the question is, in what year, what year was Pleatco Ultra introduced to the marketplace? We'll wait a couple seconds here to give people time to answer.
And just as a reminder, you can drop it into your question box on the screen.
And Christina, would you like to give the answer?
Sure, awesome. So, the drum roll, please. The Ultra officially launched by Pleatco in 2019. So for anybody, for the first person who got that right in the questions, we've got a team behind keeping track for us. We will be reaching out to you after the giveaway, and we will be announcing who that winner is in the follow-up email after this webinar. So be sure to look out for that. Excellent.
And I guess with that, we will move on. But Christina, I will turn this back over to you.
Perfect. Thank you, Scott. All right. So we have been sharing lots of benefits focused around the filtration media, focused around the cores that are inside, focused around our proprietary pleating technology. Well, I have one more benefit to share with you, and that is for the fact that Pleatco has the ability to be your single source of all your cartridge needs. Whether you are primarily servicing a Jandy or a Hayward, a Pentair, or a Waterway filter, no problem. We've got you covered by offering a portfolio of pool cartridges that fits most major pool filter brands. If today you're using a Unicell or a Filbert for your replacement cartridges, no worries. We can help you identify which Pleatco SKU will work for you on your pool pad. Regardless if you're using an OEM or another aftermarket brand, scan this QR code at the bottom of the right, on the bottom right corner of the slide, so you can download the guide on how to cross-reference between your different part numbers. And make sure you grab the Ultra SKUs out of this quick reference guide so you can save you and your team time and experience that easier rinsing. For any of you who also offer spa services or hot tub services, Pleatco carries a family of cartridges for those as well. To learn more about our spa offering, visit us at pentair.com/Pleatco. Okay, so we've shared all our benefits with you on Pleatco, but there is a common question we get about cartridge filtration, and it continues to be the most common across the industry. But we know that filtration systems have a lot of regionality to them. And the common question we get asked all the time by business owners and service professionals is, my customer has a sand filtration system and wants to replace with another sand filtration system. How do I convert them to cartridge? Because that is a revenue stream for your business and your servicers. Well, there are a variety of reasons. And a couple that we believe to have the most value are water clarity. Cartridge filtration allows pool owners to achieve a better water clarity level through our point bonded media. The media that Scott spoke about earlier, it allows you to filter nearly 2 times smaller particles from the water. versus a sand filtration system. So the best time to see this is at night when the lights are shining. You will have crystal clear water. The second best reason to replace with cartridge filtration is cartridges provide more square footage of media to filter the water through versus sand media. This allows you to extend your cleaning cycle, less to-dos in the backyard. That extended cleaning cycle can go months versus backwashing, which is a to-do in the backyard and usually can be as frequent as weekly. Cartridge filtration also eliminates the need to backwash, which, as we know, is a loss of chlorinated or chemically treated water. When you backwash, you have to replace that water into the pool and then retreat it. So eliminating this can be a positive for many reasons, but especially for those that have continued issues with water, and that's becoming a premium in many parts of this country and the world. While these are just a few of the cartridge filtration benefits, clearly there are some strong ones in here, especially when compared to sand filtration. And this allows us all to meet our needs of delivering filtered water. Excellent. So we want to share one last thing with you here today, and that is in the spirit of National Water Safety Month. Pentair and Pleco are proud sponsors, and we recommend that all filter maintenance be performed by pool professionals. So as you and your teams continue to open pools and start to clean cartridges this summer, we wanted to share a reminder of all the tools, videos, educational materials, step-by-step guides that are available to you. Scan the QR code in the top left, and that will send you to our pool filter safety page. As always, we want everyone to go home better than they arrived at work. So please be sure to utilize these resources to learn the proper way to clean cartridge filters. Additionally, we have an extremely exciting schedule launching really soon for Pentair University. And the best part, many of these are held in your backyard. So watch for the follow-up email with this webinar to be sure to sign up and receive the schedule, as well as learn about the Pentair Universities near you. All right, one more trivia question, one more $500 product giveaway. Our question is, what year was Pleco founded? As a reminder, you can drop your answers into the question box. The first person who answers this correctly will be notified in the webinar follow-up email. So I'll give everybody just a couple seconds. Give it your best shot. Awesome. Great. Okay, so I'd like to say thank you to everyone for taking the time to be with us here today and learn about Pleco and how we can help you rule the pool and grow your business. We would now like to open it up to Abigail to see if there are any questions.
Awesome. Thank you, Christina and Scott. What a great walkthrough of the Pleco technology and the benefits to both pool pros and pool owners. We do have time for a few questions. First question, when it comes to filtration, are there any tips for dealing with well versus tap versus groundwater?
Well, I'll jump on that one here. Yes, there are solutions. Whether it's either of the three, it would be using a fill filter product when you're adding pool water to the pool environment, like the Pleco Pure Start filters. You know, all three types of water sources will have different types of contaminants in them, and none of those water sources are pool water. So whether you're wanting to start a pool or top off an existing pool, you want to always start with the freshest base of water possible, so that it makes it easier to balance and condition that water into pool water.
Awesome. All right, another question. Does filtration technology and replacement timing differ for salt versus chlorinated water?
I'll take that one. Great question, Abigail. Actually, filtration technology doesn't matter. It's the same for both.
Okay. What tips do you have for choosing the right sized filter cartridges?
I love this question. I'm glad somebody asked. So if you are unsure of the part number or want to understand if Pleco has a solution for you and the cartridge replacements that you're using, if the universal fit guide that we shared is one solution, but if you don't see it on there or aren't sure, you can always measure the outer diameter of your cartridge and then the length of your cartridge and take that information and check out our Pleco filter finder. You can enter, it allows you to enter in that information and gives you a couple recommendations or suggestions of the right cartridge. The quick reference guide is also on our website as well, which is pentair.com/Pleco. So you can find both the filter finder and the universal fit guide there for your needs.
Awesome. Thanks, Christina.
Yeah, that was right up your alley, Christina.
I know.
All right, let's do one more question. Let's see here. As pool season continues to extend earlier in the spring and later in the fall, are there any filtration best practices to consider?
That's a very interesting question. As far as best practices go, I would say no. Filtration best practices are going to remain the same, but with one caveat there. It'd probably be finding a quality filter cartridge that's going to provide you cleanest water, that's going to extend your run cycles between cleanings so that you're spending more time enjoying the pool, or your customers are spending more time enjoying the pool than having to worry about maintaining their filtration system. Because while they may be extending a little bit, it's in a lot of parts of the country, it's still a very short period of time, and we want to maximize that time for our pool owners and pool people out there enjoying their pools.
Yes, time is always going by fast. So more time for fun and less time for work, right?
Yes, exactly.
Awesome. Great. Well, we appreciate everyone submitting their questions. If we did not get to your question or a question comes to you after our session today, please do not hesitate to submit it to pleco_orders@pentair.com and the team will get back to you. Perfect. All right. One more thing for this rockstar group who joined us today. We have one final ask. Aqua Magazine has a survey that is currently available for you to complete. And the best part, you get a chance to win a $300 gift card. So scan this QR code and complete those few question survey. It is closing soon, so don't wait. Snag up that gift card. And with that, I'll pass it back to Abigail.
Awesome. Well, thank you to Christina, Scott, the entire Pentair Pool team, and thanks to our audience. We hope you enjoyed today's presentation and learned some new filtration tips and tricks that will help you to rule the pool. Watch for a follow-up email from Aqua with a link to a recording of this session. Thank you, and we hope you have a great rest of your day.